Good morning. My name is Tom. I am the new employee.
Hello, Tom. Welcome to City Café. I am Mr. Davis. I am the manager.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Davis.
Nice to meet you too, Tom. Are you ready to start work?
Yes, I am very excited, but I am also a little nervous.
Don't worry, Tom. Everybody is nervous on their first day. I will show you everything. Come with me.
Good morning. Can I take your order, please?
Yes, please. I would like a cup of coffee and a sandwich.
Of course. What kind of sandwich? We have cheese, chicken, or tuna.
Chicken, please.
And how would you like your coffee? Black or with milk?
With milk, please. And 1 sugar.
Perfect. That will be £5.50, please.
Here you are.
Thank you very much. Your order will be ready in about 5 minutes.
Excuse me, I ordered a chicken sandwich, but this is tuna.
Oh, I am so sorry. I made a mistake. I am very, very sorry. Please wait 1 moment. I will bring the correct sandwich right away.
That's okay. Don't worry. It happens.
Here is your chicken sandwich. I am very sorry for the confusion. And your coffee and sandwich are on the house today.
Oh, that is very kind of you, Tom. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. I hope you enjoy your meal.
Hi, Tom. How was your day?
Pretty good, Sarah. How about yours?
It was interesting. I was very nervous in the morning, and I made a mistake with the customer's order.
Oh no. What happened?
I gave her a tuna sandwich, but she ordered chicken. I was so embarrassed.
That happens to everyone, Tom. Did you apologize?
Yes, I said sorry and I brought the correct sandwich, and I gave her the meal for free.
That was very kind. She was probably very impressed.
Mr. Davis was pleased too. He said I did a good job. Overall, it was a great first day.
Well done, Tom. I am proud of you.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe this channel for my next episode.
Yes, do not forget to subscribe. We will see you tomorrow again.
Excellent work today. Let's review what we learned. A customer is a person who buys something. A polite way to say I want is I would like. For example, I would like a cup of coffee, please. Sorry, what you say when you make a mistake. Enjoy means to feel happy about something. For example, I enjoy teaching you new words, so enjoy your learning today. Well done means congratulations. Good job. Employee, a person who works for someone. Manager, the person in charge. Nervous, a little worried or scared. That's the end of episode 1. You did an amazing job today. If you enjoyed learning English with Tom today, please subscribe. Every week, Tom has a new adventure, and you will learn new English with him. See you next week. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. See you next time.